Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever felt like there just aren't enough hours in the day? Do you ever look back at the end of the week and wonder where all your time went? Here's the truth: time is the most valuable resource you have. You can always make more money, but you can't make more time. The difference between successful people and those who struggle isn't intelligence, talent, or luck. It's how they manage their time. Today, I want to talk about how you can take control of your time, increase your productivity, and create a life you truly love. Time is your most precious asset. Use it wisely. Imagine you had $86,400 deposited in your bank account every morning, but at midnight, whatever you did not spend would disappear. Would you waste that money? No, you would use every dollar wisely. Well, guess what? You already have something just like that. 86,400 seconds every single day. And once they are gone, you can't get them back. Example: successful people from entrepreneurs like Elon Musk to athletes like Serena Williams don't have more time than you. They just use it better. Action step: start treating time like money. Before spending it, ask yourself, is this worth it? Will this bring me closer to my goals? Set clear priorities. The 80-20 rule. Not all tasks are equal. The secret to productivity isn't doing more, it's doing what matters most. The 80-20 rule says that 80% of your results come from just 20% of your actions. Example: if you are a student, 20% of the topics will likely make up 80% of the exam. If you are in business, 20% of your clients bring 80% of your revenue. Action step: write down everything you need to do today. Then ask, which 20% of these tasks will create 80% of my success? Focus on those first. Stop wasting time on distractions. We live in a world of distractions: social media, endless notifications, and time wasting activities. If you don't control your time, someone else will. Example: the average person spends over 2 hours a day on social media. That's 730 hours a year. Time that could be spent learning a new skill, starting a business, or improving your life. Action step: turn off unnecessary notifications. Set specific no phone hours during the day. Use the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break, and repeat. Distraction is the enemy of success. Take back control. Plan your day before it starts. Waking up without a plan is like getting into a car with no destination. You will waste time figuring out what to do instead of actually doing it. Example: top CEOs, athletes, and successful entrepreneurs plan their day the night before. They don't leave their schedule to chance. Action step: every night write down top 3 priorities for the next day. When you wake up, you will know exactly what to focus on. Learn to say no. If you say yes to everything, you will never have time for what truly matters. Example: Warren Buffett once said, the difference between successful people and really successful people is that really successful people say no to almost everything. Action step: before saying yes to something, ask, does this align with my goals? Will this add real value to my life? If not, say no. Because every yes to distractions is a no to your dreams. Take care of yourself. Energy is equal to productivity. Managing time isn't just about scheduling tasks, it's about managing your energy. Example: think about your phone. If the battery is low, even the best apps won't work properly. The same goes for you. Action step: get 7 to 8 hours of sleep, exercise daily, even just 20 minutes can boost energy. Take breaks to recharge. Rest is productive. You can't do your best if you don't feel your best. Take action now because time won't wait. The biggest mistake people make waiting for the right time to start. Example, Amazon started in a garage. Apple started in a basement. They didn't wait. They took action with the time they had. Action step. Right now, take one step toward managing your time better. Set your priorities for today. Eliminate a distraction. Say no to something unnecessary. Because the difference between where you are and where you want to be is how you use your time. Time is your most valuable resource. Use it wisely. Focus on what truly matters, the 80-20 rule. Eliminate distractions and take control of your day. Say no to what doesn't serve you. Take care of your energy because productivity starts with you. Your future depends on what you do today. So the question is, are you using your time to create a life you love? The clock is ticking. Make every second count. Thank you.